Artificial intelligence is changing our world. It's in our phones, cars, and homes. AI helps us shop, find information, and connect with others. It's making our lives easier and more efficient. AI is also changing how we work and play. It powers virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. AI recommends movies and music we might enjoy. It's even used to create art and music. AI is rapidly evolving, and its impact will only grow in the coming years. Understanding AI is crucial for navigating the future. Many people fear that AI will take over our jobs. While it is true that AI can automate some tasks, it also creates new opportunities. AI can handle repetitive tasks, freeing up humans for more creative and complex work. Another misconception is that AI is always right. AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on. Biased data can lead to biased AI, which can have negative consequences. AI is a tool that can be used for good or bad. It is our responsibility to ensure that AI is developed and used ethically and responsibly. AI has the potential to solve some of the world's biggest challenges. In healthcare, AI can help diagnose diseases earlier and develop new treatments. For example, AI is being used to detect cancer cells in medical images. In finance, AI can detect fraud and improve risk management. AI-powered chatbots can provide quick and efficient customer service. In entertainment, AI is used to create realistic special effects and personalize recommendations. AI is transforming various industries, making them more efficient and effective. And despite its potential, AI is not without its drawbacks. AI systems can be vulnerable to hacking and misuse. AI can also perpetuate and amplify existing biases, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. As AI becomes more powerful, it is crucial to address ethical concerns. We need to ensure that AI is used for good and that its benefits are shared by all. We must also consider the implications of AI for privacy and security. The future of AI depends on our choices. By understanding both the potential and the risks of AI, we can harness its power for a better future.